Ready for a Moonlight pop mission? Today we stretch, shine, and finish calm. Hey little yogis, I'm so happy you're here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today's practice is full of shining stretches, brave poses, and calm breaths to make you feel strong, happy, and peaceful. Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Here we go. Let's begin. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed and your hands resting on your knees. Close your eyes for a moment and take a slow deep breath in and out. Imagine soft moonlight glowing around you. Feel calm. Feel bright. Feel ready to move. Now stand tall with your feet on the ground. Feel strong like a mountain. Your legs are steady, your back is tall, your shoulders are soft. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Step your feet wide and open your arms like a big, shining star. Stretch your fingers. Stretch your toes. Shine bright from your heart. Take one big breath in and one slow breath out. Can you sparkle your fingers? Reach one arm up and over your head, stretch to the side like you are reaching for the moon. Keep both feet on the ground, breathe into the long side of your body. Switch sides, reach up and over the other way. Long body, soft breath, beautiful stretch. Come onto your hands and knees, round your back like a mooncat. Then drop your belly and look up like a happy cow. Keep breathing as you flow. Cat, cow, cat, cow. Let your back wake up gently. From hands and knees, walk your hands forward and bring your chest toward the mat. Keep your hips high. Imagine you are a happy puppy stretching under the moon. Stretch your arms long. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel your shoulders relax. Step one foot forward between your hands. Lower your back knee down. Lift your chest and reach your arms up to the sky. Feel strong and brave like a moonlight guardian ready for the stage. Breathe in and shine up. Breathe out and stay steady. Switch sides. Step the other foot forward. Lower your back knee down. Lift your chest and reach your arms up. Feel your hips open. Feel your heart shine. Now stand up and open your arms wide. Bend your front knee and look over your front hand. This is your Moonlight stage pose. Strong legs, open arms, calm eyes. Breathe in power, breathe out worry. Switch sides. Turn to the other side. Bend your front knee and open your arms wide. Look forward like you are ready to sing, dance, and shine. Stay brave, stay steady, stay kind. Straighten your front leg, reach your front hand forward, then gently down toward your shin or the floor. Stretch your other arm up to the sky. You're making a big triangle shape. Breathe and open your heart. Ati. Switch sides. Reach forward, then down. Lift your other arm up to the sky. Long legs, long arms, bright star energy. Now sit down and bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees open like soft butterfly wings. Hold your feet and gently flutter your legs. Light wings, calm breath, happy heart. Sit cross-legged and twist gently to one side. Breathe in, breathe out. Let your busy thoughts float away like little clouds. Switch sides. Twist gently the other way. Soft shoulders, tall back, quiet mind. Lie down on your back and place your hands on your belly. Feel your belly rise as you breathe in. Feel your belly fall as you breathe out. Your body is calm. Your heart is bright. Your mission is almost complete. Now lie completely still. Close your eyes and let your whole body rest. Feel soft moonlight around you. You stretched, you shined, you found your calm. Take one last big breath in and slowly let it go. Fantastic job, little yogis. You moved, stretched, and breathed so beautifully today. If you had fun, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this video with your friends and invite them to join the fun next time. Now, take a big deep breath in and a slow breath out. Smile, relax, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.